Hey, welcome to the Black Titanic. This is Arthur Oma. Today I will be giving you breaking news. So you're gonna see where a man went into a supermarket and shot up a black neighborhood. A black supermarket. And then you will see the next, you will see where the little boy has a whip. And he goes over to the black neighbor's house. He's banging on the door. Little Joey just banging on the door like he the slave master. You know, want to whoop this kid. But anyhow, the parents get into it. So this is what y'all will be seeing anyway. I guess y'all have a happy day today because I'm going out into the community to do some nursing duties voluntarily. I'm going into homes of underprivileged people that can't afford, top notch nursing care. They get the feminine. So just where I'll go in and fill in and do their vital signs, making sure they taking their medication, making sure I order their medication if they're all out, or the medical equipment for them if they're out. And I clean and cook, whatever they want to do for me for the day. I'll give them about 4 hours of my time and I'm gone. Anyway, you guys have a happy day, and I'm going to go out here and enjoy my clients today. This is OC the Great TV. Y'all check him out, OC the Great TV. Black News Channel.
They have been streamed on social media. There are reports of that. We have confirmed it. You guys were just talking about the manifesto where this man may have described himself as a white supremacist. I'm being told that we now have the soundbite from one of the many witnesses who you see right there. Let's listen to what this person saw.
He took the machine gun with the strap and put it to his chin, and I was hoping that he'll shoot himself, and he didn't. He put the gun down on the strap. And then he took the gun, he put it down, he did put something on his feet, he took his vest off, and then he got on his hands and knees, he got on his back, and then they arrested him.
Wow.
Was it a targeted attack?
I have no idea, because no, it couldn't have been, because when I first saw him shooting, he shot a woman, he shot a deacon, he shot another woman, and then he went in the store and started shooting again. So I don't know who he would shoot.
An apparently lifeless body lying on the ground in Buffalo, New York.
He got fired from anybody
This is the worst nightmare that any community can face.
Police say 13 people were shot, 10 of them killed Saturday afternoon at this Tops Friendly Market in Northeast Buffalo.
Crazy dead bodies inside the store.
Tonight, authorities say they've arrested the alleged gunman, identified as an 18-year-old white male from Conklin, New York.
The shooter was not from this community. In fact, the shooter traveled hours from outside this community.
Little boy, you better get your ass from off my porch beating on my door like this. I will call the police. You need to leave. Don't you ever beat on my goddamn door like that. Go. Okay.
That was a black mom. That's what little Joey met, a black mom. Now he finna meet the black father. And watch how the father is trying to communicate in an intelligent way. But we're gonna see how the father acts. He's gonna act stupid. There is not going to be any communication at all. And he's going to even shoot at the black man. That's where little Joey learned it from. We just saw y'all where a little Joey. Okay, we saw a little Joey just shoot up a supermarket.
Your dad is here. I just seen him walk in the house.
He lied to me, my dad ain't here. He said, yeah, I just saw your dad.
I'm need to talk to your dad.
Right. You're meeting a black dad now, little Joey.
You hear me?
What'd he say?
You recording me?
Yeah.
Yelling through the door. Did you hear me? Yelling through the door.
No home training. They yard all unkept. I wouldn't even want to live next door to nobody to keep their yard like that.
We'll be here.
Not if I own my own home too.
That's sad that we can't even have a conversation with him.
I know.
Yes, sir, if you don't mind. I need to talk about these damages to my car. Yes, sir. Let me show you the video. If you come outside and talk like an adult, then maybe we can figure it out. I'm trying to have a simple conversation. We can take it somewhere else if you want to. I need to show you the video of your son hitting our door with this whip and hitting our car. Sir.
There's no rationalizing with that
I don't know,
man.
but I know that my son told me that your boy jumped him on his
Look
way
at the
home.
unkept yard over there. Y'all saw that bush?
Our son is.
Coming outside with I'm trying to have a conversation with you. Coming outside with because I saw the way you started walking.
Had
I'm
beef.
coming to have a conversation with you, sir. Your son, I'll show you the video. This is what your son came to our house to do.
Our son is 13. He doesn't even go to Lewis.
My son, how did my son jump? Okay, so he beat on your door. Okay, now we have a huge scratch.
Can you come look at our car?
With the whip, that came from the whip. We need to figure out how we're gonna figure out. My son, Diamond's son never touched your car.
We
You got
have
no video that he touched your car?
the neighbor does across the street.
You got video?
Come over here.
Not really. We have it on video. All right, get off my property. Seriously, get off my property. Well, that's it. Because you ain't coming over here talking nicely. You're accusing my son. I'm showing you the video.
We're showing you the video.
The door. You ain't showing me the video of him scratching your car. Get off my plan. That's my vine. Get off my plan.
Baby, get off the vine.
I ain't even gonna go there.
He ready to whoop your ass. Put that gun down. He'll whoop your ass. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all.
I bet you won't bring no motherfucking ass.
Can you please stop, sir? All we want to do is just talk to you civil.
That's the problem. You and your kids want to play fucking victim. Your son came over
Y'all are so violent.
He got him, y'all. He got his head.
came over here with a fucking whip. Bring his ass over here again. See what the
Please.
fuck happened.
You have a gun.
Come over here on my side and see what the
You
fuck
have
happened.
a-
Fuck out of here. Bring your motherfucking ass outside without the gun then, bitch. I've already come out before.
Come on, let's do
Look
it.
at him.
No,
He ain't
baby,
coming
get
out without that gun.
Oh my God.
It done went off on him. Gun went off on him.
Oh my God.
Backfired on his ass.
I just want to say, you know,
Rodney
can we
King,
all get along?
Sal Montana with Doorbell News. I would just hope in the future that if two children were having a problem with each other,
Okay.
then the parents resolve the issue in a non-hostile way. Texas is a stand your ground state. The father, whose car was whipped, he really could have got himself shot and things really could have
Sure
gone
could.
south. I don't think you should approach people's houses. If anything, maybe he should have caught him outside the next day when things weren't as heated and maybe spoke to him at a distance, maybe caught him when he was outside at his, doing something in the garage and spoke to him at a distance, because people can get hostile when you come to their door, as you could see or as you could hear. The
Okay,
man
y'all,
said
this
that
is
he
Black
came to the door
Titanic. I'm
and
going out
most
to
people
do my
come to the
community
door
work
because
today.
they feel
You guys
threatened
have a
that they
great
don't
day.
know.